Thank you, Mr. General Evaluator, fellow Toastmasters, guests, and Mr. Arvind in particular. Arvind was attempting a speech from the Advanced Communication series, Interpretive Reading. It's one of the very tough manuals, which I could say, going through different ways of how you speak. And he was attempting a speech on oratorial speech. And here in this topic, what he was speaking was he was trying to get at the emotions of a brother who lost his sister in a terrible accident. And Arvind brought this out very well, and when he read the speech of the Earl of Spencer, and he was able to connect to the audience and bring out that emotions. That was one good thing what he did was in that speech. The other parts which I felt where he needed to improve was in terms of setting the context to the speakers. Well, I felt, as per the manual, which says that you have 45 seconds to set the context to the audience, which he could have done it at the initial stage, the 45 seconds, or he could have asked the MC to do it. Somewhere down the line, it took a few minutes for the audience to get that. Arvind, next time when you do a speech or anything where you have this kind of a topic, ensure that you take that 45 seconds or ask the MC to take the 45 seconds to introduce, because it sets the context for the whole audience. I remember when you gave your last speech, when you finished your speech, when I came here as an MC, I could feel that expression when you ended. When you ended, I could feel that expression, people were just into it. But here, if the context was set, you were bang on at the target, but the context was not set. That was one thing which you seriously need to improve again. Why was this speech required? The speech was, of course, if the context you had said the speech, why the speech was required would have come out automatically to the people. And being an experienced speaker, and you're doing an ACB speech, there should have been a little bit of your voice modulation and clarity of voice should have been there, and you were not using the mic. When you're speaking about an Englishman's speech, you need to practice a little bit harder, because the words that they use is not as easy as an American English. So you need to practice. I felt a little bit of practice was required. The positive parts which I saw was that you were comfortable in speaking, okay, and the speech manual also asks you what is the action that was required. The action in that speech was protecting the children from the paparazzi. Okay, that is also, you got it out well. These are few points. There are some points which I mentioned already which you need to improve. I think those things, if you improve, you'll get a speaker.